hold your comments, hold your thoughts, hold your prayers. Guys, I know my hair is ridiculous right now, but today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you my experience using MACK for Men Stronghold Natural Look Hair Clay. What's going on, you guys? It's George, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So, as you all know, I really never show my hair like this, or maybe you don't know, but for me, I'm vulnerable when my hair looks this messy or unkempt or sloppy. Just not my look. Fortunate for you guys, I've actually partnered with MACK for Men to give this a go. Now this contains beautiful ingredients, guys, ones that are actually beneficial to your hair, and that's extremely important. This contains natural and organic beeswax and plant extracts, stuff that gives you that hold you need, as well as nourishing your hair. Let's face it, guys, we don't want to lose our hair. So it's very important to focus on what exactly we put in it. And if you're someone like me that actually styles their hair every single day, then you gotta be careful about the ingredients you use. And that's exactly why products like this are something that I wanna bring awareness to. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this product works for me, if it's gonna give me that stronghold that I need and want and strive for, then keep on watching.
George.
It's George.
George, do feel lighter.
It's George.
You're real smart, aren't you, George?
Schirra.
It's George.
Schirra.
I still get shy whenever I see myself on camera and I look like this. A mess. But here's the packaging, guys. It is very simple. MACK for Men right on the top. And it is a plastic jar. The size is pretty comparable to other products of this type. It is, I believe, 2.5 ounces. And I actually have two hair products here that are just a little bit bigger. This is the Forte hair product clay, which is 3.4 ounces, and I have Crew, which is 3 ounces. So it's just a little tinier. The only thing is the price is comparable. I know these all run around $20. Unfortunately, you just get a little bit less for this, but let's face it, it's the ingredients and how the product performs is what matters. So we will see in just a bit. Now, I have not used any MACK for Men products before at all, and they've actually reached out to me to try their product, so I was pretty pumped because I love to see hair products that contain such ingredients like this because, you know, I don't want to go bald. I just want to advocate for guys to use products like this because it is so important to focus on what we're putting into our body and on our body, whether it's a skincare product or hair product. You know, there's just chemicals and ingredients that could really damage and hurt your body. So things in here are beautiful, and I don't want to really dig in too deep exactly what comes in this and like the whole science of the ingredients, but there's tons of oils like coconut oil, jojoba seed oil, looks like there's green tea extract, a lot of like plant-based ingredients, as well as the beeswax, which beeswax is going to be the ingredient that gives you that hold. So I know like Burt's Bees has hair products and stuff like that. I'm not really too familiar with them, but hopefully this will impress me enough to just dive into the whole beeswax community. I appreciate that the packaging does have a lip for the product, because whenever I see the products have these on there, I know it's protective, it's sealed, and it's gonna like stop any type of nasty bacteria or anything from getting into the product. Before I dive into putting this on though, you guys, let me just address my hair is extremely straight. Unfortunately, I have a little bit of texture, but what I like to do, and if you've ever seen my video before of how I style my hair, I use a straightener. You're probably like, what the heck? How are you gonna use a straightener to make your hair more textured or curly? I'm gonna show you right now. Don't be afraid of these, guys. This is not a torture device. This is simply just something that you can use to make your hair a little bit more textured. And I literally just pick up hair like this, put the straightener on there, and move it backwards, just like that. And what it does, as you can see, gives you that curl. This takes me less than a minute to do my entire head. And the finished result is usually something that I always like. So can't complain. This is just a benefit for me. It helps me out. You don't have to do this, but for someone with straight hair, if you are like really annoyed with how your hair gets flat and has no like volume to it, this has helped me out so much. All right, so that is the volume that I need. As you can see, my hair has a little bit more oomph to it. We all need that pick me up, right? Especially if you have flat hair like moi. I'm not a fan of that. Now, let's dive into the product, you guys. Overall, this doesn't have a strong scent to it, which I like. I'd say it does smell clean. It's very minimal, the scent, and it's not like overpowering or anything. But this is how much I've used on my hand. Not a lot. I don't like to overpower my hair with a lot of product, especially because I'm not sure how this is gonna work for me. So I'm just gonna rub that in, warm up my hands just a little bit, and I'm going to run my hands through my hair and get it on my entire head. And you can already tell this is definitely going to be a nice hold because my hands are not sticky, but they definitely have a little bit of suction there. Okay, so let me just style my hair really quick. You guys, I am feeling this product. This is nice. It's not giving me that like overpowered type of like overly product type looking hair. It did go on very nicely. It gives you that nice hold. It really does. And one thing that I really want to stress is that I feel like I haven't used too much product. So littles can definitely go a long way. And as you've seen, I only use a tiny amount, and that's giving me this look, which is nice, but I really think that I could use a little less than what I use. It didn't stick to my hands too much, so it was easy to wash off when I washed it off. So MACK actually has two products on their website. This is the Hydroclay, and this is a clay product for a strong hold, and they also have this one right here, which is the Shape Shifter Pomade. So pomade and clay are two different types of consistencies. In my opinion, I feel like a clay is more thick and gives you more of a hold. This is for more of a, I feel like, curly-esque type of hair, the shapeshifter. So that's just like the type of impressions that I have. But so far, I mean, that hold and natural look that the Hydroclay promises, I'm getting that vibe. There is tons of information about these products on MACK4Men.com. Of course, I'm gonna leave that in the description down below. But they actually were also featured in Men's Journal, which is really impressive, to be honest. And they have a section where it says what ingredients we'll leave out. So there are parabens and a bunch of like stuff that should not be in hair products anymore in the year 2020 going forward. So that's pretty cool, but there's a lot of information on the website that I definitely recommend for you guys to check out. And what I'm gonna do as of right now, and I thought about this, I'm going to film an outro for this video later on tonight. So I'm gonna keep this product on for the rest of the day, see how this wears for me, if my hair goes flat throughout the day or what. I did not put in any hairspray or anything because I want a full just impression of this product and only this product. So I'm not gonna use anything to help like benefit the clay. So with that being said, my hair is looking good. I'm gonna chug my coffee and start my day, and I will catch up with you guys in just a little bit. All right guys, we are back and I'm ready to wrap up the day. It has been a long day here, but I have to say, I have some final thoughts I want to share with you about this MACK for Men hair product. You can probably see it for yourself. My hair is basically not moved at all. But before I forget, let me address, I was filming earlier with using this camera, this Sony camera, and for some reason I just cannot seem to get the lighting to adjust the way that I wanted to. So I was filming in my bathroom, and I'm editing the video right now actually, and it just seems to not be the quality that I want it to be. So I apologize for that. I'm still like experimenting with how to work this camera, and it's a work in progress, so bear with me. Anyway though, how do I feel about this MACK for Men hair products? You guys, I have to say, I'm liking it. It's definitely giving me that hold throughout the entire day. I've ran around, I went to the gym, I filed my taxes, and my hair's still up. Out of all that drama, my hair is still doing its thing, so I cannot be mad at it. The price is fair, it has really beneficial ingredients, it's not harmful to you, and it's something that I can definitely see myself continuing to use. Again, I did partner with MACK for Men to try out this product, but I'm not an affiliate. So the link down below in the description is not gonna be any benefit for me. So just keep that in mind. If you enjoyed this video, if you found this to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is right here as well if you want to give that a follow. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.